Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how you can make a minimum of $30 per user test. If this strikes like something you're interested in, keep on watching this video all the way till the end. So guys, if you're new to my channel, yes, I know you guys are not used to the view. I am actually going to a fair. So yes, come with me. Let us go. So guys, if you're new here, go ahead and introduce yourselves. I'd like to know you and meet you where in the world are you tuning in from. And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are just amazing. Thank you for your incredible love and support. I see you and I appreciate every single one of you from the bottom of my heart. God bless you real good. So while you're introducing yourselves, let me go ahead and introduce myself as well. My name is Mariam A based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer and a YouTube coach. I help small to medium-sized businesses start a profitable YouTube channel and begin to monetize it from the very first day. So guys, let's talk about how to win. Hey, you know, I always say that money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, guess what? You will never be broke again. So guys, let's get right into this business. Copy me, guys. Let's go. Let's go. So guys, do not forget there's a giveaway at the end of today's video. So make sure that you watch this video all the way till the end. Today, we've got an exciting topic that's going to put extra dollars in your pocket. Yes, so making money online. Yes, with userfeel.com. Have you heard of userfeel.com? See, if you're ready to turn your clicks, yes, if you're ready to turn your clicks into cash, just stick around because we are about to unveil the secrets of this fantastic platform. So yes, you might be wondering, what's the buzz about userfeel.com? So guys, userfeel.com is a platform that pays you for testing websites and providing your valuable feedback. Today, we're going to show you how you can leverage your opinions to make money online. First thing you need to do is go to userfeel.com, then go ahead and sign up and create a profile. Guys, getting started is just a piece of cake. Oh yeah, head over to userfeel.com, sign up, create a profile. On the top right corner, click on Get Paid to Test. Yes. And then you must watch the training video. It's about 1 minute and 35 seconds long. Yes. Guys, in case you're wondering, should you use your real name and your address while conducting a test? The answer is no. Please use fictitious details while conducting a test. Never use your real credit card details. Never use your real home address. Never give away your social security, your phone number, or even your passport. So as for email, some services require an authentication based on it, and you may create an email address just for the purpose of doing these tests. Be sure to fill out your demographic information accurately because it ensures that you get matched with tests that actually suit you. Now, as for qualifying for tests, once your profile is set up, keep an eye on your email or go to that userfeel.com dashboard for available tests because some tests might have specific qualifications. So go ahead and pay attention and ensure that you meet the required criteria because the more tests that you qualify for, the more money that you can earn. Yes, so now let's get down into the nitty-gritty of taking the test. Go ahead and follow the instructions carefully, perform tasks on the website, and most importantly, share your thoughts out loud because your feedback is like gold for companies that are looking to improve their online presence. Now, here is the sweet part for payments and reward. Yes, so here comes this exciting part, getting paid. Userfeel.com compensates you for your time and your insights. Payments are usually processed through PayPal, and it makes it quick and convenient for you to receive your earnings. So guys, I also have a way you guys can make money from the comfort of your home. Do you have skills? Do you have good video editing skills? Do you know how to edit videos? Even if you don't know how to edit videos, I'm going to suggest something to you. I mean, this is something I wished I did, back in those days. But yes, it's never too late to share. So what you need to do, even if you don't know how to edit videos, go and join the media unit of your church. This is something that's, it works. Yeah. Go and join the media unit of your church, and then that way you can get trained for free. Yes. Once you're trained for free to become a video editor, you can begin to edit videos for your church. Yes. For the congregation for free while you gain the knowledge and the experience. And then with that, you can start, editing videos and making money from the comfort of your home. Good thing is, there are so many content creators that need help with their video edits, just like me. I mean, I have people who edit my videos for me. So you can target content creators and make a ton of money. You can even work with multiple content creators. You only need to learn how to manage your time effectively, so that you are not, caught up in between two jobs, or you're making mistakes, or you're not delivering as at when you should be delivering. So guys, here is my giveaway part. Like I promised you, there's going to be a giveaway at the end of today's video. So here is how to enter for my own giveaway contest. Guys, it might interest you to know that we have finally launched our Telegram community. Yeah. So guys, all you need to do is this. Go ahead and share my Telegram link. Please find the link in the description as well as in the comments. When you share go ahead and share my Telegram link with 50 of your friends. It is super simple. I'm sure you might be wondering, oh, where do I find 50 people to send to send your Telegram, link to? It is super easy. Here is what you need to do. Go ahead and share my Telegram link with about 500 people in your network or 100 people. If you don't know who to send it to, don't worry. Send it to your friends, your village members, your enemies, your church group, your mosque group, your purple members, and all the witches in your village. Send it to them. But it goes beyond just dropping my link. What you need to do again is this. Tell them why they should join my Telegram community. So just give them something that, makes them feel, it's really good to join or important to join. So what you need to do is tell them the value that I add. Tell them Mariam actually owns this Telegram community and she shares valuable insights and information on how to make money online, on grants and what have you. And tell them they will not regret joining my Telegram channel. I don't spam people. So yes, by the time you have 50 people, come back to this video and let me know in the comments how many people have successfully joined my Telegram community using the link that you shared with them. I'm going to verify the details, and of course, I will reach out to you and ask for your email address, and I'll verify the information accurately. Please do not come to this channel and lie about the number of people that you added into my Telegram community. Go ahead, confirm. Make sure that at least 10% of the people that you send the link to will join my Telegram community. Do not forget, I just need 50 people. If you're able to add more than 50 people into my Telegram community, that's even okay. That's even a lot better. So you see, watching this video alone can fetch you $100 free of charge. So I'm going to transfer $100 cash to you anywhere you are in the world. I can sell it to you. I can send it through PayPal, Venmo, Cash App, or I can even use Western Union money transfer to transfer the funds to you. So there you have it, guys. Making money, like I always say, money is everywhere. You just need to know where to look. The moment you know where to look, guess what? You will never be broke again. And that is it for today. If you have any questions for me, let me know in the comments. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. And yes, I want to say at this point, I want to also acknowledge my Patreon members. Thank you. You guys are amazing. Thank you for your love and your massive support. I see you and I appreciate every single one of you from the bottom of my heart. God bless you real good. And yes, that is it for today. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to let me know in the comments. And yes, in case no one has told you today, I want to be the first to tell you that you are amazing, you are sweet, you are gorgeous, and I am super duper proud of it. Alright guys, take care of yourselves. I go to Express and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to like this video, comment, and share. If you have not introduced yourselves yet, go ahead and introduce yourselves in the comments. I'd like to know you and meet you in the world I need from. And of course, I will see you in my next video. Take care guys, and bye for now. Love you. Mwah.